Hello users, in today's video we will see how to filter entries on the basis of the payment mode. So in this cashbook I have used various payment modes like cash, online, or we can also customize in this app if you want as per your need. So to filter them out, there is an option just below the remark section on the right side. There is filter button. Just tap on that. And in the fourth option you can see the payment mode. Then in the payment mode, like in this cashbook, I have just two payment modes I have added. One is cash and online. I look out for my online transactions and I'll apply. So now you can see out of my total 11 transactions, I have 3 entries which are made in the online mode. So in this way, you can view your entries on the basis of payment mode. And similarly, you can also download your PDF and Excel report. We'll end this video here. Thank you.